So we are asked, which of the following best describe the trend shown in the scatter plot above? And here the scatter plot is to the left. So pause this video and see if you can figure this out. It says choose all answers that apply. Okay, so let's just look at what they say. They say there's a positive linear relationship between x and y. So what does a positive linear relationship look like? Well, in a positive linear relationship, that means that as x increases, y would increase, so that would be the positive part. And the linear would mean that it looks like the dots, the dots that are being plotted are roughly along a line. So let me do what a positive linear relationship might look like in red. So if it looks something like this, that's what a positive linear relationship would look like, because it looks like you could fit a line to that data. Now, if you look at the data in question right over here, let me delete all of these, it doesn't look exactly like that. You have a positive relationship in this part of the data, whereas x increases, it looks like, in general, y is increasing. But then, at this part, you have a negative relationship, and this part looks a little bit flatter. And so, in general, it's not always positive, and it also doesn't look linear. It looks like more of a curve. Someone would say that this looks parabolic. So this does not look linear, nor does it look positive. So I would rule this one out. There's a nonlinear relationship between x and y. Yes, in general, you could view as nonlinear relationship as a relationship where it would be hard to fit a line to that data. And it would be hard to fit a line over here. If you tried to make a line go like this, it would miss all of that data. If you tried to make the line go like this, then all of this data seems off. If you tried to make a line go like that, then really nothing seems to fit that data. So I like this. This is a nonlinear relationship between x and y. As x increases, y increases, then decreases. So as x increases, y does increase in this part of the data. And then eventually, as x increases, then y decreases. So I would say that this one is true as well.